You are watching now MRCAS, M Times Madurai.
The Department of Visual Communication at Manikam Ramaswamy College of Arts and Science organised a professional photography workshop titled Frame the Moment in collaboration with Canon experts, South Zone. The workshop focused on bridging academic learning with industry practice, featuring hands-on demonstrations in camera handling, composition, lighting, and visual storytelling. Students actively participated and received expert feedback, gaining confidence and technical exposure. The event concluded with a vote of thanks, marking a meaningful initiative that strengthened student skills and inspired professional aspirations in photography.